Discussing about the pressure exerted by a fluid, we know that when a fluid is placed inside a container, it exerts normal force, and that normal force is called as thrust. Now that normal force or thrust per unit area is called as pressure. So pressure is defined as thrust per unit area. So the units of pressure are in SI, Newton per meter square, and that is called as Pascal. And in CGS system, its units are Dyn per centimeter square. Now we know that pressure is a scalar quantity because at a certain level in a fluid, pressure is the same in all directions. That means it doesn't depend upon the direction, so pressure is a scalar quantity. We know that pressure is a scalar quantity. Now, how is the pressure measured inside a liquid or a fluid? Inside a fluid or a liquid, we are having a container. This is evacuated one with a frictionless piston and a spring of known spring constant. It is immersed at a certain level in a liquid, and by the force of the liquid above this area, the spring S is compressed, and we calculate that compression. We know that force of action and reaction are the same. That the restoring force is equal and opposite to the normal force that applies on this area of the container. That means we have the normal force is equal to K times X, where X is the compression and K is the spring factor. Now the pressure is equal to force per unit area, that is equal to Kx divided by A. Now we already stated that we have a spring of known spring constant. We calculate the X, we know the area of the piston that goes down, so we can calculate the pressure at any level in a liquid. We will talk about the applications of the pressure. Handles of the bags or suitcases are broad so that the area is more. When the area is more, the pressure exerted is force per unit area. As pressure is inversely proportional to area, pressure exerted will be less. Number 2, it is painful to walk on ground that is laid with the edgy pebbles, because the whole weight of a person is on a small area. That means the pressure exerted is more, and which creates pain in the feet. Number 3, the nails to be driven into the wood or into the walls are having pointed edges, so that when it is struck with a hammer, very large pressure is exerted on this small area and the nail is driven into the wall or wood.